Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna tell you guys how to set up a meeting with someone from Coldwell Banker. So let's say we were looking to buy a house. So we'll click on buy and then all homes for sale. Let's say we go to Texas. We wanna buy a house from Texas. So we'll click on that and wait for it to load up. And let's say we want a house in uh let's say San Angelo. So we head over there and these are all the houses that are listed. Let's say we like this one. So we're gonna click on this one and right over here you need to put in your mobile number and then the prefer tour date. When are you free to go and actually have a look at the property? So you're just gonna select on the date, let them know the message, I want to know more, I am available from let's say 5 p.m. PST. Let me know if you can meet, and then click on contact. And once the seller gets this text, they will reply back to you if they haven't found a potential buyer already. And this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.